Hey Beebs, and welcome back to announcements. I wanted to let you guys know about something really fun that's going to be coming up. It's called Fun Fridays, and it'll hopefully be starting in the next 2 weeks. So every Friday at 6 p.m., you'll have the opportunity to join with a bunch of other students at Beaverton High School on a Zoom call, and you'll be doing different activities like Kahoot quizzes or trivia. And the very first one is actually going to be baking cookies. So you'll be baking cookies virtually with different people, and it's a great way to get to know students you haven't met before and just connect in a way that isn't necessarily related to academics in school. So definitely check it out. Hopefully, the first Fun Friday will be in 2 weeks, so keep your eyes peeled. Yeah.
Yes, and we're very excited about that. And then another project leadership has been working on was through the Community Service Committee, and they just put together a bunch of COVID care baskets. And I wanted to give a big shout out to the Beaverton community for making all those donations happen. And to anyone whose family is suffering from COVID, I wish you the best of luck. Get well soon. We're all here for you.
And let us know if you're a family who is dealing with that, and we'll get out one of those kits to you, or if you know somebody who is in our community. We're also excited that this week we began limited in-person instruction. So thanks to those students who've been showing up and making that connection. We're also going to be moving into hybrid in April. I'm sure there's a lot of questions about that and some, probably even some confusions. We're going to be offering a survey next week to everyone about what questions they have. And then we're also going to be offering some forms for people to drop in, and we'll get that schedule out soon. Next week, our athletic teams get to start competing. We're excited about that. Unfortunately, at this point, we're not able to have spectators. We hope conditions improve so that we can. But in the meantime, we wish all of those athletes good luck. They've been moving through these challenging times to have practices and conditioning, and I'm sure it's good to be finally able to have a game. And other than that, we thank you for a great start to the second semester, and have a great weekend.
Yeah, have a fantastic weekend. Peace out, Beebs.